Our folding bed is made in Italy. Quality can be ensured, featuring sturdy steel pipes and tightly connected hardware. The whole frame is not easy to deform and can be used for a long time. In addition, the dense steel wire and the reinforced structure enhances stability. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Foldable design for space saving. This bed can be folded by simple steps at any time, which helps you cope with various situations. A sturdy buckle can effectively prevent the folding bed from suddenly unfolding during transportation. Designed with compact size, the bed can save space and is easy to store after folding. You can place it in the garage or trunk of the car. Number 2. Cozy memory foam mattress. The package comes with a soft mattress, which is made of high-density support foam and soft memory foam. What's more, the cozy mattress is elastic and will not easy to collapse, which can provide a comfortable sleep experience. The mattress and bed frame are separate. You can change the cover without trouble at any time. Number 3. Multiple purposes. With a practical design, our metal folding bed is suitable for limited space to satisfy your different demands. This folding bed is a good choice to be used as a spare bed if guests visit. Moreover, you can use the folding bed in the office, study room, or hotel, which is convenient to use and can help you to relieve fatigue. Number 4. Easy to assemble and move. Comes with detailed instructions and necessary hardware. This folding bed is easy to set up in several minutes. Additionally, 4 flexible rollers allow you to move the bed to any place you want on your own. The smooth rollers have minimal noise while using and will not leave scratches on the floor. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.